पंचायत मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनोन गोय राज्य शारी विकास संस्थेक न्यू वाडे तळयेच्या सुशोभितीकरण आणि नितळसाण कामांक सुरवात करची म्हण आदेश दिला.
Work on the Warden Lake was somehow stalled because there were certain new parameters which had to be decided. On one side, they were not getting as much area as earlier anticipated, so they had to build the wall which they were supposed to build in the water instead of slightly in the water, not on land side. So that involved additional costs while doing the piling, because one area was sinking, so additional costs went up by about 70 lakhs to 1 crore. So that had to get a new sanction. That's why works were pending. So whatever issues that were there have been sorted out, because as you have seen, not only Jisuda people, municipal people were there, church authorities were there who actually own the land. Then there were other government officials who were interconnected with the ongoing works. So whatever small issues that were there are sorted out. Whole essence was to make up for the lost time and complete the project as early as possible. The contractor still maintains that by the end of December the project of beautification of Warden Lake will be complete. He will be doing the work very fast. While doing the work very fast, I have cautioned him on certain things, that while doing the piling, it should not disturb any other foundation elsewhere, to see that the work takes at a little slow pace when they go drilling inside, because if they sometimes when they apply a lot of pressure, it can cause problems in some adjoining area. So they are going to be cautious, but at the same time they are going to expedite the other works related to the Warden Lake. Important are two things now. Since the Ganesh festival is nearby, 25th, we are going to clear a certain area for the immersion of Ganesh idols. A ramp is going to be made for the people who would like to immerse Ganesh there as usual. Already the contractor has been instructed, and he will be starting work tomorrow.
You are present here, तू हिंगा present हा. हांवें उदो हातीक घेवन वास घेतला. आयकता, वास कांयच ना. ते फकत इश्यू करता. And there is a saying, a barking dog seldom bites. आनी लोकांक तांची जे कोण पळय उलयल्या न्हू, तांची क्रेडेन्शियल कितें लोकांक खबर आहा. ते हुंयसान हुंय कितें करता आनी कितें चोरी करता, कितें नाटकां करता, ती सगळी लोकांक खबर आहा. मॉविन म्हणटा पळय न्ही, इज अ मॅन ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट. गेली इतलीं वर्सां मॉविन हिंगा रॅम्प घालतालो, क्लीन करतालो. हिंगा आख्खें सारकें मॅस आसलें, ते कोणी केल्लें सारकें क्लीन केल्लें, मॉविनान केल्लें स्वता पयशे मोडून. आनी आयज देखून इतलीं वर्सां जालीं मॉविन स्वता आपल्या पयशांनी हो रॅम्प घालता, एक सेक्युरिटी अशी गणपती विसर्जन करतल्यांक.
मंगळारा मंत्री गुदिनोन मुरगांव पालिकेच्या काउन्सिलरा बरोबर संयुक्त बसका आयोजित केल्ली. आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
लोकांचे तुका कितें आसता, लोक वयर सकयल भिश्टो जाता. एक फार्मर पसून आसलो, एक भात लायतालो, ताका शेत जावपाक, ताका भात जावपाक टायम लागता. आनी हें तुका एक बरें डेव्हलपमेंट चालू आसा, ताका टायम वयता. लोकांचे हांव लोकां कडेन मागता, बिश्टो वयर सकयल जावना. वर्सा प्रमाणे तुका कशें मेवता पळय करून तशें मेळटलें.